back to 3D printed soup. One of the main mistakes people make with 3D printing is thinking they can print off an entire army really quickly and easily. Or they can print out huge amounts of figures and all kinds of D&D stuff, which will basically mean the entire set is 3D printed. And that would be lovely if you could, but copyright and also just speed and time are a huge factor. 3D printing is not fast, and as good as 3D printers are, unless you're spending £3,000 or £4,000 on a beautiful printer, you're not going to get the exact results that you get from these beautifully created miniatures. What you can do, however, is create fantastic scenery. I myself play Shadowrun, which is a brilliant role-playing game set in a cyberpunk universe, and the one thing you need for that is lots and lots of cyberpunk scenery. So shops, details such as subway entrances and street corners, but vehicles. And the vehicles have to look distinctive. I mean, you can use corgi toys if you want to and glue kit bash and glue lots of stuff onto them, but 3D printed vehicles are fantastic. And I found some really good ones on Thingiverse. And so I'm going to give a quick go at printing a really good 3D car, which is kind of a combination of a DeLorean and a Ferrari. It looks really good. So let's give it a print and see what it comes out like. Links to the Thingiverse file are in the description always. Let's give it a go. So, even though you can't print off, well, you can print off, but I wouldn't recommend trying to print off an entire army or an entire box set, you can get some really, really lovely, unique pieces which you can print off people's designs if you want to, or make your own. If you do print off other people's designs, paint them the way you want to, make them your own. Put extra bits on kit bash. I mean, I tried this in the red, and I also tried it in the green as well, so it's come out beautifully. I've also used some really nice texture paint on there to give it some rust, and a little bit of gloss wash as well to give it a nice dirty, greasy feel to it. So it's been driving around in the future for a while, so that came out quite nicely. And you can just do other things like this sort of cross between an Aliens loader and a JCB. So pretty much the limit is your imagination. So go ahead, print out some fantastic stuff for your war games and tell me about what you printed out. In the comments below, tell me other things you'd like me to print, or give me hints and tips on anything you've noticed that maybe you would do better. But anyway, thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe, click the bell button to let you know when I upload the next video, and thanks for watching.